Hello, boys and girls. Today I'm going to talk with you about media balance. Our lesson objectives, or what you will learn today, are the meaning to some new vocabulary words like device and balance. Okay, we'll learn what is media balance and why it's important, and why we should take breaks from our devices sometimes. We're also going to talk about how it makes us feel when we're on our device too long, or how it may make others feel. So looking at our key vocabulary, the first word is device. A device is any electronic equipment that you play with or use, even if it's for work. This could be a laptop or a computer, a tablet, a cell phone, or yes, even video games. The next word is balance. Balance means having equal weight or importance. That's what we're going to talk about in our context, is how important it is to not just play on our devices, but to also do other things. So what is media balance? Media balance is when using media or devices in the same way is healthy, like not playing on your tablet too long, but also being able to incorporate or balance other activities in your daily schedule. These life activities can be while you're at school. We don't use our devices all day while we're at school, just sometimes. Having hobbies, things you like to do, or sports you like to play, or spending time with family and friends. It's important that you take breaks from your devices. Have you ever just felt really tired or sluggish when you've been playing on your tablet or playing video games for too long? That's how we get sometimes. We lose track of time very easily when we're playing on our devices. So we have to make sure that we don't spend too much device time. Sometimes it's a good idea to maybe set a timer so we don't spend too much time on our devices, but that we also spend time playing outside, or being creative and making things, or just spending time helping out your parents or your siblings around the house. All of those things are good ways to help balance your daily activity and your device time.